the cocoa of the chocolate that is hot. I tried pop. You want to take this? Just empty all that in. Get your milk to enrich the flavor. And fill her up.
We're back, Tyler.
Okay,
Don't go away.
I'm making hot cocoa. Okay, I've done that. Now, when you're cooking your hot chocolate, when you're heating up your hot chocolate, you want to make sure you always have a paper towel over it. And it doesn't say how long to microwave it. I'll just put 1 minute should be enough. You also want to prepare your spoon. Look at this fake news. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ow! But you're not yet done. Quesadilla. You definitely want to stir this, but this will take a while. There we go. And by the way, if you're lactose intolerant, you can use filthy tap water. Yeah, boy. That's what we needed.